Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 200 plus amazing shortcut key for every Windows 10 user. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply come to your address bar and visit this particular website, shortcutsworld.com. Then on getting to this particular site, next thing you need to do is to simply click on shortcuts. Then it's going to take you to every shortcut page for different software on the website. What you need to do is to simply scroll down and navigate to Windows. Then from this point here, simply scroll down and then look for Windows. So just like so, look for Windows, then click on Windows. Then it's going to take you to every shortcut key for Windows laptop. Okay, next thing you want to do is to navigate to this Windows 10 shortcut key. So it takes you to this particular page. Now it has different sections. So you can learn from the first section here, Windows Desktop Shortcuts, which is the first section. And these are the key about this particular section. So Windows plus T, it gives you to focus on money or main taskbar. So if I press Windows plus T on my keyboard, it takes me straight to my taskbar, the active one. Okay. So you can simply scroll down and learn different shortcut key. Right. Then another section here is desktop navigation shortcuts. So desktop navigation shortcuts, it has different key for that, such as arrow key, home and end key, enter key, shift plus F10, etc. Then you can also navigate to shortcuts to move and resize windows. So under this particular section here, we have Windows plus D. If I press Windows plus D on my keyboard, it takes me to the window environment on my PC. So let's go back. Then we have window plus arrow, left or right arrow. Then we have window plus arrow up, which give you, then we have windows plus shift. So you can scroll down and see more stuff as far as window is concerned. Then another section here, which has to do with switch between open windows or virtual desktop. This one right here. So there are Alt plus tab, Alt plus Shift plus tab, so you can try as much as possible to memorize some of these key right here. Okay, then the next section here is window key shortcut A to Z. Now we have window plus A, which allows to open a notification. So if I press window key and plus A on my keyboard, then it brings up all notification on my window PC, just like so. Then you can also scroll down and see more stuff. Set focus on notification, then window plus D, the window plus E to start window explorer, window plus F, just a feedback up, then window plus J, window plus H, window plus I. If I press window plus I, that will bring up Windows setting environment, just like so. Okay, so let me quickly close on that. So if I press window plus K, so window plus K, so just like what you see right here, when you press window plus K, it brings out your connectivity about your Windows PC. So if you press window plus L, it's going to lock your Windows screen. Okay, you can simply scroll down and see more stuff as far as Windows is concerned. Then if you press window plus O, is to lock an orientation. Window plus P, you can see the result. Window plus Q, just to quit or go back to your window environment. Window plus R, just to run Windows. So if I press window plus R, so it's bring out this window run environment whereby you can search for any information to run on your Windows PC. So let's simply close on that. If I press window plus S, this means that we want to search something from our window. We press window plus T is to focus on the taskbar, window plus U, window plus V, and Z, etc. You can scroll down and learn stuff about all these Windows shortcut key. Then we have Windows File Explorer, just like so. So what we have under Window File Explorer here is window plus E, window plus then Control W, just to close Window Explorer. You can scroll down and learn more about Windows shortcut key. That's simple as that. So basically, this is how you can simply master every Windows shortcut key, most especially if you are using Windows 10 PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.